Hi there! Here's how you make sugar-free plum jam without using any added pectin, only fruit. First, get very ripe plums. Remove the pit and chop them into bits. The plums must be very ripe when making sugar-free jam. Ripe fruit is much sweeter, and this lets us make jam without using any added sugars. Next, grate an apple. Apples are a natural source of pectin, and they help to make jams glossy and thick. Now, pour the plums into a deep saucepan. Followed by the grated apple, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and ginger. Give it all a good mix and start simmering at low heat for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 30 minutes, increase the heat and bring to a more vigorous boil. Keep cooking and stirring for 45 minutes, allowing the juices to reduce and thicken. Once thick, the marmalade should be mushy and almost smooth. You can leave it like this if you like jam with bits. Otherwise, you can blend it with a hand mixer. Now, let the jam cool down for 2 minutes. And let's get ready for canning. Make sure you have sterilized your jars properly and start filling them with the jam. We explain how to do so in great details on our website. Check the link in the description. Leave 1 inch of headspace, and just as you close the lid, immediately flip the jar. This will help create a vacuum and preserve your jam for months when stored in a cool place. Once cold, you can pop it open and spread this healthy plum jam on bread or toast. Enjoy!